In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and resume your drafts in Confluence. If you've ever started writing a page or made changes and stepped away, Confluence quietly saves that work as a draft so you can pick up right where you left off. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find those drafts, how to reopen them, and what to do when you're ready to finalize your work. First, open Confluence in your browser and log into your account. Make sure you use the same account where you started the work because drafts are tied to your user profile. Once you're in, give the page a moment to load fully so the navigation and menus are available. Next, head to your profile area. You can do this by clicking your profile picture, usually located at the top right of the screen. If you don't see a photo, it may appear as your initials or a user icon. This opens your user menu, which gives you quick access to items related to your activity and content. Within this menu or the related workspace page, look for sections labeled Drafts, Recent Work, or Your Work. Confluence groups your in-progress items here. The exact label can vary slightly depending on your plan or interface updates, but they all lead to the same place: your personal activity and saved edits. Open the Drafts section. This is where Confluence lists any unpublished pages you've started, as well as edits to existing pages that you haven't published yet. You'll typically see page titles where they live in your spaces and when they were last updated. This context helps you quickly spot the item you want to continue. Scan through the list and click the draft you want to keep working on. Confluence will open the editor with your saved content intact, so you can continue writing, reorganize sections, or polish formatting. Take a moment to confirm you're editing the correct space and page title, especially if you work across multiple teams. When you're finished, choose how you want to wrap up. If it's a brand new page, publish it to make it visible to others with access. If you were editing an existing page, select Update to apply your changes to the current version. If you decide the draft isn't needed, discard it to remove it from your list. Keep in mind that discarding deletes the draft, so only use that option when you're sure, and that's it. By using your profile menu to access drafts, you can quickly find, review, and finalize your work without losing momentum. Thanks for watching, and happy documenting.